Good morning, students. Today we will continue lesson 4 Working with Flash CS6. Now today we will learn about gradient, which you have learnt in previous video. What is gradient and how many types of gradient effects are there. Now here in this video we will study about how to make changes in the gradient effect. Okay. Modifying a linear gradient. Linear gradient means to change the shading effects from top to bottom or left to right. Okay. Gradient includes three types of modification. First one is changing the center of the gradient. The second is changing the width of the gradient, and the third one is rotating the gradient fill. Now first I am going to discuss here modifying a linear gradient. It is given on page number 47. To do this, firstly you need to draw an object. To do this, click on pencil tool and draw any object on which you want to give the gradient effect. After that, click on paint bucket tool to fill color in it. Then choose another color for trunk and fill color in it. Okay, now the drawing has made. To do the gradient effect, firstly click on selection tool and then click on the object on which you want to make changes. After that, go on window menu and choose color option from it. In this panel, in solid color box, choose linear gradient. Look here, linear means आपका ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ शेडिंग इफेक्ट्स नजर आएंगे. ठीक है. Now shading is appear here. After that, how to make changes in it. Now go on tools panel and here on third number tool, it has a small triangle. Click on this small triangle and choose gradient transform tool from it. Now click on the object. The gradient tool is here. So now first is changing the center of the gradient. Click on the center button to change its center point. Okay. Changing the width of the gradient. Drag this width button to change the width of the gradient. ये देखिए आपका जो width है वो gradient का change हो रहा है. ठीक है. Rotating the gradient fill. To do this, move the pointer over the rotation handle, press the left mouse button and move it. Look here, the gradient is rotated. Okay. Next is modifying a radial gradient. Radial means start the shading from the center point in a circular mode. Okay. Now modifying a radial gradient. To do this, firstly you have to apply the radial gradient effect. For this, click on selection tool to select your object. Then come on fill color tool and click on radial gradient. Look here, radial means centralize. आपका जो शेडिंग इफेक्ट स्टार्ट होता है वो आपके सेंटर पॉइंट से स्टार्ट होता है. ठीक है. तो ये सेंट्रलाइज करके आपका शेडिंग नजर आएगी यहाँ पे. यू कैन सी इट हियर. देन अगेन गो ऑन ग्रेडियंट ट्रांसफॉर्म टूल. Select the object. Look here. This is the center point. From here you can change the center of the gradient. This is the width point. From here you can change the width of the gradient like that. And this is the rotation handle to rotate your gradient. Okay. Like this you can modify the linear and radial gradient effect in your object.